Okay, let's do page 262 now. Gotta write that up there. Okay, Tony made a painting that is 3/4 of a foot wide. I don't know why he didn't just use inches. That would have been easier. But he wants a new painting that's half as wide. You want half of 3/4. Half?
Okay. Half of 3/4. There's your number model. Bang them out. 3/8. 3/8 of a foot. 3/8 feet, which doesn't even mean anything in feet, which is why Tony has got to stop that. Get a ruler, dude. Okay, that's 1. 2, Rachel is decorating a card with stickers. Each sticker is a 1/4 inch across. That's a pretty small sticker. Rachel, you could get a bigger one. How many stickers can she fit along the 5 inches? Oh, so she got a 5-inch card. And she's going to break it up into little quarters. So this time it's 5 divided by a 1/4. So how many fourths are there in 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths makes 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths makes 2. Guess what? It's 5 times 4. 20. Number model is that. 5 times 4 would take 20 of those stickers to get all the way over there. Did you get that? Did you? Because let's zoom in on the first inch of the card. Here's 0 and here's 1 inch. So this is about 1/4. So the first sticker will go here. And then the second sticker will go here. And that gets us up to 2/4, which is a half. And then the next sticker will go here. And that gets us up to 3/4. And then we get to 4/4. So it takes 4 of our stickers to get up to 1 inch. So you do 4 times 5 is 20. Yeah, you didn't need that explanation, but I gave it to you anyway. Yeah. You can't control it. This is my video. You don't get to make the rules here. I make the rules. Okay, 3. Chicago City block is 1/8 of a mile long. All right, I can work with that. If the length of a block is divided into 10 equal lots, what is the length of one lot? So we're taking our 1/8 and we're chopping it up into 10 pieces. So that's the thing that's getting divided up. Not the 10. The 8. We're taking 1/8 of a mile and we're dividing it up into 10 pieces. So you put the divided by 10 there. So always think of what's the thing that's getting chopped up. That's the thing that goes first in the division. So 1/8 divided by 10, you're like, I can't do it. So everyday math has taught you that crazy thing. Let's do that, where you get the same denominator. 8, I want to make this an 8. So I turn it into an 8, which is multiplying it times 8. So I have to do that times 8. 10 times 8 is 80. Now I got 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 divided by, so the divided by 1 just goes bye-bye, right? So 1 divided by 80 is 1 divided by 80. It's 1/80th. So it's 1/80th of a mile. Oh, that was the number model too that I had up there before. Let's go to 4. Greentown's City Council is designing a new park. Oh, that's going to be nice for those residents. The park will be 1/4 of a mile long and 1/8 of a mile wide. How many square miles? That sounds like an area problem to me. It's 1/4 by 1/8. Wow. That's not drawn to scale. 8s are not bigger than 4ths. Okay. So we have to do 1/4 times 1/8. It is 1/32 square miles. All right. Sounds pretty puny, but I mean, maybe Greentown gets a little more land. I mean, what are you going to do on a 32nd of a square mile? It's probably big enough for like 2 swing sets. Okay. Next, for problems 5 and 6, write a number story. All right, 3/4 times 5/8. Oh, here you go. So you got to come up with the 3/4 first. So come up with something. I have 3/4 of a pizza. Okay? I got 3/4 of a pizza. And then I eat 5/8 of it. How much do I eat? Okay, we can go with that one. You solve it, you get 15 over 32. Tops times tops and bottom times bottom. So I guess that's just about half of it. I ate here's the part I ate. Just a little bit less than half. I guess I was hungry. All right. Last one, 10 divided by a third. That's easier. Come on. Come on, you can do that. I've got... No, don't choose. Okay, let's think. Non-disturbing. Okay, I've got it. I've got 10 cans of anchovies. And I barf if I eat more than a third of a can of anchovies at a time. So I want to figure out how many meals do I have of anchovies so that I can eat them and not barf. I have to take my 10 cans of anchovies, divide them up into a third of a can each, and figure out how many that is. 10 divided by a third. If we want to do it the book way, we've got to have same denominator, times 3. Times 3 is this. Those go bye-bye. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 30 divided by 1 is 30. I've got 30 meals of anchovies. Anyway, there you go. You can come up with your own stories. And now, the next is the math box.